Oh, Stumpy is cuddling. Those blue light glasses are amazing, especially when translating magical digital book, you know, in the phone. It's really relaxing eyes. Yay. Okay, so where are you? Yui. Saying hello as well. For this quarter cycle, this clearing and cleansing practice is is fun actually. So we just put water in the glass, and this egg simply to say this egg is dancing around the body. It's like this, shoulders, other arm, hand, and then just put it in the water. This is actually showing energy. Okay. So this clear part is like that aura is clean and the energy is nice. Those lines is like and bubbles. This is balancing either mind or feelings, whichever, you know, just relaxing muscles in the body. This is the process, especially in sleep, is all is clearing anyway, whichever we're processing during the day and then also during sleep. So anyways, all is cleansing. And for this ritual, so it's really nice. And yeah, and the line is also that mind is calming, and all the practices with sharing are amazing, you know, to practice daily. And then we put salt in, pepper, and just mixing all. This is especially clearing all the energies and those actually links the thoughts with others. And then we just put it in the toilet. Voila! It's flying. Oh yeah, and this yolk, when it's like fully in circle, like in a ball shape, is also showing that energy is nice and clean and clear. Aww. Cuddling. This is his spot currently. Okay, enjoy.